public art category on the Culture Compass features art from West Vancouver, North Vancouver, and pieces from private collections. Public art is original, one-of-a-kind work that creatively reflects the culture, heritage, or natural environment of an area. Works of public art build a sense of place and serve as an artistic legacy for future generations. Each point on the map shows the location of a public art piece. You can use this category to explore public art online or to inspire your own walking, biking, or driving tour. You can see here that there is a lot of public art along the shore in West Vancouver, over 20 different works between Ambleside and Dunderave. You can view an image, read descriptions, and find out who created the work. As you look at each piece, consider why it is in this place. The map features walking or driving directions to help you plan a route between art pieces and other points of interest. Be sure to check out the map to enjoy the public art collections from home or on your own walking, biking, or driving tour.